Picked these up on Amazon. These are Mornajina metal cutting disc. Yeah, these are metal cutting disc or grinding disc. Picked up on Amazon from the seller. Bought these in a 5-pack. They do have a shim spacer adapter right here. It goes in the middle of them. Pretty aggressive, looks like. Let's put one on a grinder. And what I do have is a Makita grinder here. It's an old grinder. Had this thing for probably close to 13, 14 years. Will not need this spacer if you have a 7/8. You see right there. Now it doesn't say if they're directional or not, so I guess they cut either way. There's no arrow, there's no nothing on them. All it does is you just put it on there and go, I guess. We get this out of the way here, then we'll get a piece of metal. What we'll do is we'll take this piece out, put this piece in. We'll see how it cuts. A little vibration, a little shaky there because the metal was extended too far out of the vise. But as far as it cutting, it did really a good job. I kind of liked it better than a cutoff wheel. These here wear down very quickly, and sometimes they'll fly apart. So my first experience of using one of these is pretty positive. Now, how long it'll last, I can't tell you that. But what I will do is I'll post a link where I got these from if you're interested in buying some of them. And just to let you know, we do get a small percentage if you purchase through the link we provided. Let me show you the cut again. Smooth, fast, easy cut. Not a lot of sparks flying off of it. That's very impressive. Nice tool.